Hi, my name is Mark Chavez, and I'm going to be um, just talking to you about the Alabama state ethics rules and regulations. And so I'll be talking about that. But first, I want to go over just the commissioners of the board of the state of Alabama. So there's four board members total, and the first is Josephine M. Venable. The second is Anthony Humphreys. The third is Jewel W. Henderson. And the fourth is Braxton L. Cottrell. And they make up the commission board um, for the ethics board for the state of Alabama. And so secondly, I'm going to be going over the amendments that they've written up for the state of Alabama concerning ethics. And so the first one is the State Ethics Commission granted subpoena power. So this one just states that the legislator authorized the commission to issue subpoenas to compel witness to appear and produce books, documents, papers, and other evidence upon the vote of four members of the commission. With this power, Alabama joins 37 other states with omnibus ethics commissions and having this investigative tool. Secondly, the Second Amendment is executive and judicial branch lobbying included in lobbyist definition. Anyone attempting to influence the awarding of a grant or contract with either the executive or judicial branches of government must now register as a lobbyist. This amendment would also prohibit a legislator from representing any persons, firm, corporation, or other business entity before any executive department or agency. And so on this website, the Alabama Ethics website, they have a tab here for lobbyists, and pretty much under this tab, it kind of goes through just the training for the lobbyists. It gives the registration form. It even defines lobbyists, and it goes through that, and how to properly go about lobbying if you are interested in getting your interests to government officials and stuff like that. So it's a really good tool. This whole website is a really good tool for that, and that's where I'm getting all my information from as well. So the Fourth Amendment is that commission is required to have an attorney member, and it pretty much states exactly what the title says. It's effective with the next nomination to the commission. The members must include at least one Alabama licensed attorney in good standing. So let's see. The fifth requires commission to determine if probable cause exists within 180 days. And this one just says the Ethics Commission must determine within 180 days of either receiving or initiating a complaint whether or not probable cause exists regarding that matter. The Commission may, for good cause, grant the staff an additional 180 days by majority vote. And so this one's pretty straightforward. They have to come up with a decision on a certain complaint within 180 days of the complaint. And so on this website too, it also it shows you how to make your complaint. If you go to the forms tab here, you could get a PDF file of the complaint form, and you could send that out via email or over or in mail, just handing it in and stuff. And so you could do it that way as well. So the Sixth Amendment on the Constitution is Attorney General and District Attorneys may report planned actions. After receiving the referral of a matter by the Commission, the Attorney General or the District Attorney may report back to the Commission what action their office plans to take regarding that case as well as the final disposition of the matter. And so those are the amendments for the Alabama Ethics Commission. And this website is just a really good guideline for the public. It also gives you just a huge list of the Alabama Ethics Act, and this is just all the laws and rules of ethics for the state of Alabama. Everything's here. It first goes over the definitions of just complaint, conflict of interest, what is law enforcement officer, everything. It's just really good, and it goes through just some laws. So I'll just go through just a few of them. It goes through commission duties. The commission shall do all the following, and it gives you a list. Accept and file any written information voluntarily supplied that exceeds the requirements of this chapter. Develop, where the practicable, a filing, coding, and cross-indexing system consistent with the purposes of this chapter. So I'm just kind of giving you random laws right now, but it's really great to just kind of go through that and look in that. This website also gives guidelines for public officials, and this was really cool to kind of read and go through. It goes through just guidelines for how officials should act, what they should and shouldn't do. Go through conflict of interest. They go through lobbying. For example, you're not allowed to receive any gifts from a lobbyist. You can't, your family can't, your friend can't, and everything like that. It tells you the do's and don'ts under this new ethics law. So it's really great. This website also goes through ethics training videos. It gives you all the trainings that the employees or officials have to go through these trainings, and it's out here, and I can watch them online. It's for everyone to see, and so it's really great. So that's the Alabama Ethics Code, and it's really great to just look and see just how it works, and so yeah. So that's my oral report, and thank you.